Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to enter the recents, and the way of entering them depends on the system navigation you've got set. If you've got 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, which will appear right here or right there depending on the configuration. And if you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and hold your finger somewhere here like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents, and basically if you want to, you can close only one of those apps, simply find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, simply tap on this X button and all of them will be removed in just one click. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.